largest suppliers on the world market, Terberg Benschop was facing increasing logistical problems due to the growing number of Terberg tractors and the rising demand for spare parts. To guarantee the efficient global supply of parts in the future, as stipulated in the Terberg Service Level Agreement, things had to improve. The management team at Terberg Benschop decided to build a new ultra-modern warehouse in Benschop. A large group of internal and external specialists were brought in to create an ambitious design. The new location will boast a 4,200 square meter warehouse about 100 meters from the old warehouse, home to an automated storage section, which supplies both production and the spare parts. This automated working warehouse will be equipped with 4 inbound stations, 2 order picking stations, and 2 packing stations. In addition, 600 square meters of office space has been added to the new warehouse for the spare parts and supply departments. The facility has integrated all of the latest environmentally friendly technology, like heat recovery and solar energy. Despite this high-tech environment, warehouse workers will still be an important link in the process for Terberg. That's why working conditions were a vital part of the design. Construction started at the beginning of February 2017. More than 1,000 pylons formed a firm foundation for the more than 325,000 kilos of steel that make up the building. There's a built-in canopy of more than 1,100 square meters to protect products being received and shipped out from the weather during loading and unloading. Almost 1,500 solar panels have been mounted on the roof, providing 400 kilowatts of power and, of course, cuts down on CO2 emissions. Terberg Benschop divides stock into 2 categories, small and large goods. For small goods, there are 40,000 locations available in the storage areas with a maximum length of 60 centimeters and a maximum weight of 50 kilograms. There are 6,500 pallet spaces available in the warehouse for large goods. The pallet racks are equipped with special containers for longer items to store things like hoses and pipes. Small goods will use an OSR system from Austrian company Canap. This system can control the 40,000 prep locations, and using 50 shuttles and 4 high-speed lifts, can reach tremendous speeds of 7 meters per second. It guarantees that no less than 600 items per hour can be collected and, if necessary, shipped. This advanced system was custom-made, delivered, and assembled. Then the OSR system could be fine-tuned and linked to the ERP system. Before putting it to work, plenty of tests were done to ensure that the system will work as smoothly as possible as soon as it's operational. Large goods are picked using 5 narrow aisle trucks. Terberg has developed its own roller container system to make the process smoother and allow us to process all kinds of products with no problems, from large to small, light to heavy. With the current system, the goods for both assembly and spare parts are picked simultaneously. After a nearly 3-month test period, an inventory of more than 20,000 items in quantities ranging from 1 piece to several hundred had to be transferred from the old warehouse to the new one. 2,800 Terberg pallet transferred to 3,400 Euro pallets. 23,000 blue plastic containers moved and entered into the OSR system. We hired a specialist to come in and handle the move in April 2018. 130 people worked non-stop, 24 hours a day in 12-hour shifts. It's a huge job. It's like having an open heart operation done on your company. In total, it took 5 days around-the-clock work. Despite thorough preparations with a specialist company and intensive testing, there were still some startup problems. This led to delays in the delivery of parts to Terberg customers. It was an intense time for everyone. Thanks in part to the years of goodwill we built up, the tension was bearable, and before long it was back to fulfilling the promises made in the Terberg Benschop Service Level Agreement. Terberg Benschop handles spare part deliveries worldwide and takes care of things for their customers from A to Z, from transport solutions to complicated customs issues. The customer can rely on our skilled team of transport and customs specialists. Orders that arrive before 3 p.m. will be shipped the same day. Deliveries within the EU are made within 24 hours. And thanks to our known consigneur status with the Royal Dutch Customs Authority and the Green Lane, Terberg can deliver outside the EU within 48 hours. At Terberg Benschop, courier, air freight, and sea freight shipments are packed and shipped daily. After the move to the new warehouse, Terberg started implementing Transmart. This advanced software system ensures fast handling and delivery with TNT FedEx, DHL, and UPS. Transmart is available for all European countries with the aim of providing parts to our customers as efficiently as possible. Terberg Benschop wants to be your most reliable partner in products, parts, stocking, and the transport. Significantly impacts customer satisfaction and brand loyalty. We are ready for the future.